In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates with Mailchimp and Canva in a few simple steps. This process is perfect for those who want to design visually appealing emails while leveraging Mailchimp's robust email marketing features. First, let's dive into Canva. Head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, it's simple to create one, and it offers a variety of design tools to get you started. Once you're logged in, use the search bar to explore different design options. Typing email newsletter or email template will bring up a range of professionally designed templates suited for different purposes. After you've found a template that catches your eye, go ahead and select it. Don't worry if you don't find an exact match. Canva allows you to start from scratch, but using a template can provide you with a solid foundation and save you time. Once you have a template open, it's time to start customizing, change the text to fit your messaging, swap out images to match your brand, and adjust colors and fonts to maintain consistency with your overall brand aesthetic. While you're designing, keep in mind the importance of simplicity and mobile friendliness. A clean and easy to read design is crucial, especially considering a significant number of email recipients will be viewing your campaign on mobile devices. Now that your design is ready, it's time to export it. Click on the Share button located at the top right corner of the page. From the menu that appears, select Download. Choose either PNG or JPG format for your export, as Mailchimp doesn't currently support direct Canva templates, so opting for one of these file types will ensure compatibility. Once your design is safely downloaded to your device, switch over to Mailchimp by logging in at mailchimp.com. With your account credentials handy, signing in is straightforward. From the dashboard, initiate the creation of a new email campaign by clicking Create, followed by Email, and then Regular Email. This sequence will open up options for you to select a template. Whether you decide on a custom template or one of the basic layouts, what's important is the foundation it provides for your email. To incorporate your Canva design into the Mailchimp email, locate an image block in the template editor. Drag and drop this block into the desired section of your email. From there, upload the PNG or JPG file of your Canva design. Ensure the image fits well within the email by adjusting the size if necessary. Once embedded, it's crucial to review your email. Clicking Preview and Test will allow you to assess how the email appears in different email clients and on various devices. If everything is aligned and visually appealing, you're ready to finalize your campaign. Schedule it for a later time or send it immediately depending on your preference. And there you have it, a beautifully designed email ready to engage your subscribers, completed with just a few streamlined steps.